Morning. Today we're going to test this setup because I have a theory, and the theory is that a drone will severely interfere with the Wi-Fi. So in order to test this, I want to show you the setup that we have for today. I have my laptop with the Ekahau Sidekick. We have two iPads. We have a DJI Maverick Air, and we have an access point, a 3800 that I specifically set up for this test. So we're only using this particular access point. We're not using my home Wi-Fi. The reason for that, I want to clearly show the interference just from this access point. So if you can have a look with me, you can see quickly the access points that I have. I have three access points in my setup. I have the 2802 for my living, I have a 2802 for the hallway, and I have the AP3800. And the AP3800 is the one you see on the corner over there. These are my SSIDs, my IoT network. I use primarily for streaming audio. I have a Cisco Live setup, and that's the one my clients are connected to for the testing environment. And I have the Rock and Roll, that is the normal network that we use. All right, so let's have a look at the Ekahau. So here we see the Ekahau spectrum analysis. And if I now can ask my other two sidekicks. There we have Valentine and Jenna. Could you be so kind to start FaceTime? Laat eventjes zien de kwaliteit van het video, Valentijn. Even laten zien de kwaliteit van de video. Ziet er allemaal goed uit, hè? Video quality seems good. What you see here on the spectrum analysis, you see that there is more radio frequency at the moment. You see there's more airtime utilization, but it's still in a reasonable fashion. So let's see what happens when we power up the DJI. So we connected the drone. We now have a connection and we're ready to launch. So we're going to start the drone. And there we go. So what you see right now is a big spike on the traffic. Now we move DJI up. We are now on 21 meter, something like 60 feet up. And you can see that the quality of the video, wil je hem even stilhouden, Jenna? The quality of the video is degrading.
Nu doet hij slecht. Zo, dat is goed. Jen. Ja? Je moet nu iets bewegen. Hij is gewoon weg. Hij is weg. Hij is helemaal uitgevallen.
Heb jij helemaal geen beeld meer?
Huh? Net niet, maar nu loopt hij echt heel erg vast.
Dat is de bedoeling ook.
Ja, weet ik. Want ja, nu ik zie niks meer. Oké, ik zie je daar. Oh. Hij zit nu heel erg goed. Ja. Wacht, ik draai het beeld even om. En hallo Jella. Zie je jezelf? Ja. Nu niet meer. Kijk hoe het schattig gaat, baby. Oh. Kijk nou.
Nee.
En de weer. Oh. Dit is echt heel stuk.
Blij. And this is the video transmissions. Interesting, huh? So that's what we wanted to show you. I hope you enjoyed the video and thank you very much.